One little dog, alone in the sun, licking his paws, having fun. Two furry pups with fur so bright, in a race, barking with delight. Three pups with a tennis ball in sight, jumping and catching with all their might. Four dogs digging in the garden bed, sniffing and scratching with dirt on their head. Five wagging tails, moving with glee, dogs happy and excited as far as you can see. Six puppies sleeping in a fluffy pile, noses to tails, all wearing a smile. Seven dogs walking with their owners in tow, strolling and sniffing as they go. Eight pups playing in a big wide space, running and tumbling all over the place. Nine barking dogs, loud and strong, making a chorus that lasts so long. 10 happy dogs sitting in a row, waiting for treats to be thrown below. So that's the end of the book about dogs, with numbers from 1 to 10. It's a fun dialogue. We hope you enjoyed the rhymes and the fun. Until next time, with more rhymes to come.